Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of foldable hair dryers. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a space-conscious individual, or simply seeking convenience in your hair care routine, these compact wonders are designed to make your life easier. We'll be reviewing the top 5 foldable hair dryers on the market, examining their key features, benefits, usability, and durability. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the information you need to make an informed decision and achieve salon-worthy hair on the go. Let's jump right in! At number 1 position, we have Conair Foldable Hair Dryer. The Conair Foldable Hair Dryer is a game changer for those seeking portability without compromising on performance. Its sleek design and lightweight construction make it an ideal travel companion. Key features. With dual voltage capabilities and 2 heat speed settings, this hairdryer offers versatility for various hair types and styling preferences. Benefits and usage. Enjoy quick and efficient drying with the 1875 watts of power, while the cool shot button locks in your style for long-lasting results. The folding handle makes it easy to pack and store, perfect for jet setters and minimalists alike. Usability. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during use, while the removable filter simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Conair Foldable Hair Dryer is built to withstand frequent travel and everyday use, providing reliable performance for years to come. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Revlon Folding Handle Hair Dryer. The Revlon Folding Handle Hair Dryer combines style and functionality in a compact package, perfect for those on the move. Key features. Featuring a sleek black design and a folding handle, this hairdryer offers convenience without sacrificing aesthetics. Benefits and usage. With 2 heat speed settings and a cool shot button, you can customize your styling experience to achieve your desired look with ease. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, while the dual voltage compatibility ensures versatility for international travel. Usability. The concentrator attachment allows for precise styling, whether you're aiming for sleek straight hair or voluminous curls. Plus, the removable end cap simplifies cleaning, ensuring optimal performance. Durability. Crafted with durable materials and backed by Revlon's reputation for quality, this hairdryer is built to withstand the rigors of travel and daily use, providing reliable performance wherever life takes you. The number 3 position is held by Andis Foldable Hair Dryer. The Andis Foldable Hair Dryer is a powerhouse in a compact package, delivering professional results on the go. Key features. With 1875 watts of drying power and 3 heat speed settings, this hairdryer offers salon-quality performance in a portable design. Benefits and usage. Experience fast and efficient drying while maintaining the health and shine of your hair. The foldable handle and retractable cord make storage and travel a breeze, perfect for those with limited space. Usability. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during use, while the cool shot button helps set your style for a flawless finish. Plus, the removable air intake filter prevents lint and debris from entering the dryer, prolonging its lifespan. Durability. Engineered with premium materials and precision craftsmanship, the Andis Foldable Hair Dryer is built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. Next at number 4, we have Remington Folding Handle Hair Dryer. The Remington Folding Handle Hair Dryer combines innovation and convenience to revolutionize your hair care routine. Key features. With ionic technology and a ceramic-coated grill, this hairdryer helps reduce frizz and enhance shine for sleek, salon-worthy results. Benefits and usage. Choose from 2 heat speed settings and a cool shot button to customize your styling experience and achieve your desired look effortlessly. The compact design and folding handle make it ideal for travel, fitting neatly into your suitcase or carry-on. Usability. The included concentrator attachment allows for precise styling, while the removable air filter ensures optimal performance and easy maintenance. Durability. Engineered with durability in mind, the Remington folding handle hairdryer is built to withstand the demands of frequent travel and daily use, providing reliable performance wherever your adventures take you. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by CHI Foldable Hairdryer. The CHI Foldable Hairdryer combines cutting-edge technology with portability, making it a must-have for on-the-go styling. Key features. With ceramic heating elements and infrared technology, this hairdryer delivers fast drying times and helps minimize heat damage for healthier-looking hair. Benefits and usage. Enjoy customizable styling with 2 heat speed settings and a cool shot button, allowing you to achieve your desired look with precision and control. The foldable handle and lightweight design make it perfect for travel, while the dual voltage compatibility ensures versatility wherever you go. Usability. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip during use, while the removable air filter promotes airflow and prevents lint buildup for optimal performance. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials and backed by CHI's reputation for excellence, this hairdryer is built to last, providing reliable performance and salon-quality results wherever life takes you. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive guide to the top 5 foldable hairdryers on the market. Whether you're jet-setting around the globe or simply looking to streamline your morning routine, these portable wonders offer convenience without compromise. From sleek designs to powerful performance, there's a foldable hairdryer to suit every need and budget. So go ahead, invest in your hair, and say hello to salon-worthy results wherever life takes you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous!